Hi, Applied Max students. Welcome to our channel, Max Plus U. We already made two videos for our board exam revision schedule. So, first video we have made by using class 12 applied mathematics last year board exam MCQs. Then, second video compartment exam MCQs. Now, third 2023, 2022 to 2023 board exam MCQs we going to discuss. You want 2 mark, 3 mark, 5 mark, other things, kindly inform. Forward to the applied mathematics students, it will be useful for them. So, question number 1, children. Last unit digit of 22 power 12. We can do this sum in any other way. 22 ke last digit. Last unit digit you have to do mod 10. Yes or no? Suppose last two digits mod 100. Correct, children. Last three digits mod 1000. That sense, last two one digit or unit digit. So mod 10 we are doing. Okay, first we are doing with 22. 22 you divide with 10. Why 10? I said because last unit digit, last digit. So 10 twos are 20. Reminder 2. That 2 only we are writing. Now, we want to find 22 power 12. In the question, they have given us 22 power 12. So that way, we wanted to find 22 power 12 there. So how to do 22 power 12? So just raise to the power 12 directly they have done. It's our wish how we are doing. Okay, otherwise we can do cube power 4 like that. Each we can do. 22 power 12, 2 power 12 if you're doing now, we are getting the answer 4096. If you want, I can check. Direct 2 power 12 they are finding. Divide with 10. So 10 table if you're doing now, then you know what 10 fours are 40, then 96. 10 nines are 90. Reminder 6 children. So 6 is the answer. Sir, direct 2 power 12 I should find. Sir, may I find 2 power 6 sir 64? From that I will do, sir. Your wish. They have done here, but our wish how to do it. But at last, same answer, children. Hope you understood. Now you be going for the second question. Least non-negative remainder when 3 power 15 is divided by 7. So again 3 power 15 pa. So 3 power 15 is somewhat bigger number. So that way, what? First 3 cube we are finding. From the 2 we found like that 3 cube is 27. 27 we divide with 7. So then we all know 7 fours are 28. 7 threes are 21. This is what correct to do. And we will get remainder 6. But we are not doing that way. We are doing the sense same 27 we are dividing with 7. But 7 into minus 4s are minus 20. 7 plus 4s are 28. Then do the subtraction and getting the remainder minus 1. 7 4s are 28. But we may get even the remainder minus 1. Sir, how sir I know to get the remainder minus 1? Our ultimate target is getting the remainder 1 or minus 1 children. So that will help us to do is clear. So when we are doing 3 cube 27, it was closer. 9 3 square 9 is not closer. We are not getting remainder 1 or remainder minus 1 either way. Understood, appa? 3 cube only important, 3 cube minus 1 you found, appa. So now 3 cube, how you going to keep it as 15? Already 3 power 3 you found. Whole power 5. A power m, whole power n. A power m into n. Correct, amma? Minus 1 whole power 5 you do. So you will get minus 1. So the answer you will get it as minus 1 mod 7. So minus 1 mod 7 we are getting. So when minus 1 mod 7, minus 1 when will be the remainder now? Then you will get answer is 6. So again 6 is the answer. Clear, check. Now going for the third question. If you are seeing third question, very simple. A and B you multiply. A value given, B value given. First row, first column. First into first, second into second. Properly multiply, get the answer. Minus 5, 10, 0, minus 25. Option D. Clear, check. Then going for question number 4. So question number 4 when we seeing, they have given in the sense equality of matrices. Two matrices equal they have given. So x plus y you can equate with 8. Then x plus 2, a11 equal to a11. First row, first column, this matrix la first row first column corresponding elements are equal. So x plus 2 equals to 5 children. So plus 2 goes outside minus. So x equals to 5 minus 2, that is nothing but 3. So x equal to 5, x equal to 3, actually y is equal to 5. Option A, equality of matrices. So fourth one easier. Going to fifth one children. Ratio in which grocer mix two variety of pulses costs 85 per kg and 100 per kg to get a mixture 92 per kg. So what we going to do it now? Cheaper then costlier. Okay, but cheaper, dearer. 85 is cheaper and costlier is 100. The median middle is 92. So we know the concept D minus M. This is C, cheaper, dearer. D minus M by M minus C. I hope you all remember children. 100 minus 92 by 92 minus 85. 100 minus 92 what ma? 8. 92 minus 95 is 7. So the ratio is 8:7. Easy only. Book model. Going to sixth one pa. So sixth one if you see, again it's easier now. They have given modulus x plus 1 by x plus 1 always greater than 0, then what will be the x they said? Since it's always greater than 0, x plus 1 also modulus greater than 0, na x plus 1 also greater than 0. Plus 1 goes at side na chalo. Minus 1, so x is greater than minus 1. So after minus 1, what and all answer na? Minus 1 comma infinity. So I think option B is suitable. Sir, why sir this option A not there na? Because they are closed interval, minus 1 included. Suppose same question in your exam, board exam, they said greater than or equal to 0. That time you should choose option A. Sir, you only told 2022 la it was option B minus 1 comma infinity. Don't mug up the answer. Read the question properly. Greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0 accordingly. We all know greater than or equal to means it's included. Greater than or equal to means closed interval. Just greater than means open interval. Hope you remember. Going to seventh one pa. So seventh one, what they are asking? They are asking in the seventh question, A and B are square matrices of order 3. Modulus A is minus 1, sorry, determinant A minus 1, determinant B 3. So our when we are reading, we may read it as modulus, but we supposed to read it as determinant children. Okay, va? So now they are asking to find determinant 3AB. Hope we all know determinant Ka equal to K determinant A. Actually, K power n determinant A. N na what na order 3. What is the form property for determinant K ma? K power n determinant A. Order 3 na K cube determinant A. Okay, order 2 na K power 2 determinant A. That way when we considering, you will get K is a 3. 3 cube. This power 3 because of order 3. Suppose question la order 2 given na 3 square. Okay, va? So 3 power 3 determinant A B. Determinant A into determinant B we can split. So 3 cube 27. Determinant A value minus 1. Determinant B value 3. Multiply 27 3s are minus 81. So we got minus 81 sum over us. No. They asked what is the value of determinant 3AB then they asking. So sum over. If they asking find the value of x na, then we have to go for it. So option D minus 81 is correct. Then go for the 8th question children. So 8th one la what sir we wanted to do? You have to do the determinant, find the determinant for this matrix. Then plus 3 equal to 0. That answer only we have written here. So equate this. If you doing the determinant, you will get it as 3x plus 3 equal to 0. This determinant is, we are expanding 3x, already 1 plus 3 is there. Do the proper determinant children. Plus 3 goes with sign of minus 3. 3x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 1. Clear? Kindly check. Then ninth one pa, relationship between marginal cost and average cost ma producing unit. So this is the formula, d by dx of average cost, d by dx average cost equal to 1 by x mc minus ac. It's like a relation, remember, important also. Then going for the 10th one pa. So when we are talking about 10th one, it's easier only. What we want to do in the 10th one, it's x minus 1 into e power minus x dx children. We are taken minus x as t and we have to differentiate this substitution method. When you're doing substitution method, we got like t plus 1 e power t dt, and we have one formula whenever e power x is there, integral e power x f of x plus f dash of x equal to e power x f of x plus c. That formula when we applied, we got minus x e power minus x plus c. Go through, try to do the 10th one in your own. If you have doubt now, you tell me, then separately we will solve this. Now going for 11th one, dx by x plus dy by y equal to 0. A variable separable children, differential equation. So dx by x plus dy by y goes at say minus dy by y. So I think it's separated. Directly do integrate. 1 by x dx integration is log y. 1 by y integration is minus, outside is there, log y. One is log x my left hand side. 1 by x log x. 1 by y log y. Then since here one log c is there, then minus log y goes at say plus log y. Log a plus log b children. Log ab log xy equal to log c. Log remove, xy equal to c. Xy equal to c is option B. Clear, check. Then 12th one ma, Poisson distribution, probability, easier one. X is a Poisson variable. P of x equal to 1 and 2 into P of x equal to 2. We know Poisson distribution formula children, e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. That's what they are writing here. E power, that lambda is m, we are considering e power minus m. Then m power what value, that x by x factorial. That's what they are substituting. Instead of x1, then instead of x2, when they are equating this children, they are getting it m equal to m square. So m square equal to m na, m square minus m equal to 0. M you take common, m minus 1 equals to 0. M is greater than 0. So we have to consider only m minus 1 equal to 0. So m equals to 1. So when we got the value m lambda whatever, the lambda you found it as 1, substitute in the formula, get it as e power minus 1, that is nothing but 1 by e. Option B is the answer. My 13th one we have already saw this question only, they have asked in the this board exam also. So see this question you have already discussed in the first video. Modulus T lesser than TV value. What is the null hypothesis? Null hypothesis is accepted. Same question they have asked. Same way, 14th question, same question children. They have already asked in board exam. That means this question only already asked. That was what we done already is repeated. So board exam questions are repeated. Yes or no? 2 independent sample. So n1 plus n2 minus 2. Clear, check. So single independent variable na, that is n minus 1. 2 na n1 plus n2 minus 2. 15th easy pa, straight line, our own favorite time series la straight line trend yt equal to a plus bx or yc equal to a plus bx. Then present value of perpetuity pa, they are talking about end. Since they are talking about the end, so the formula is p is equal to r by I. Suppose if they talked about beginning na, p is equal to r plus r by I. Other things you know that is not there. Then effective rate children, compounded quarterly 10% they have given. Since quarterly m equals to 4 ma, semi-annual na m2, monthly na m12. So 1 plus r by 100 whole power m place la 4. Why 4 pa? Since they said it as quarterly. Simplify, get 1.025 whole power 4. If they didn't give the value, na, we only have to multiply children. We want to get the answer 1.1038 minus 1. 0.1038, that is nothing but 10.38%. And very easy ma. 18th region represented by x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Obviously first quadrant children, because both positive, like a plus plus, will comes under first quadrant. Important and easy. Going to assertion reasoning, children. 19th one, they are talking about increasing, decreasing. So they are saying it is assertion is false. Normally they are checking the function is increasing in this interval. When we are checking that this function is not increasing in the interval, we getting that the increasing the value is different. Okay, so it is minus infinity minus 1 it's increasing, so it is not this way. So assertion is false. Reason is okay. Function f of x is increasing, so f dash of x greater than 0, that is okay. So that way 19th assertion false, reason true, so option D. Then 20th you see they have said one family unit, again D is the answer. So you can go through what they are talking. So when they are talking about y square equal to 4ax, when you differentiated you got 2x dy by dx minus y. Okay, but in question only x dy by dx minus 2y is given. So this is, that means in assertion. So the assertion is false again. Reason you read it, they can true. So next time in exam, they can give the same reason, but assertion they can give correct also. Then you may get it like option A, B, that sense. So read the question properly. Forward to applied mathematics, friends, children, and utilize your time properly. So study properly, start solving. Board exam questions preparation is mandatory. So any other doubts or any concepts you want to do, kindly inform in our comments. Thank you.